The S&P 500 rises to a record high. The Nasdaq climbs to a 14-year high. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, February 24th, 2014. Markets go bullish. You have the S&P up 0.6%, the same for the Dow. Nasdaq up 0.7%, the Russell's up 0.85%, with the banks up a whopping 1.4%. VIX dropping 3%. Fear really bleeding out of the markets, well confirming today's bullish move. Also, nice move here on gold, up more than 1%, and silver up 1%. Take a look here at the S&P 500. Oh, and just let you guys know, I've got some juicy trades at the end of this video that you are going to love. And right before I get into those, let's look at this quickly. If you go to the website, TradeOnlineTradingEducation.com, make sure you come see our event on Wednesday night. We're doing a class. It's free. Just come sign up. It's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific, or Friday in the middle of the day, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, it's only 40-minute classes. We're shorting them down a bit. All right, take a look at the S&P 500. Today we were going sideways, 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 and today we boom to the upside. All's looking well. But at the end of the day, a lot of selling pressure comes in, boom, 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 brings it right back down to the area of resistance that we've been talking about. This 1847 is just a huge area of resistance. So what I do not like is this big run, and we failed to break through this resistance point. So it would be logical for this to be a reversal time. So it'd be really interesting to see what the S&P 500 does with this resistance level after an extended run to the upside. We're trying to build a base here. Let's see what happens. The Dow, though, on the other hand, we have resistance, resistance, resistance. We broke resistance on big volume. Boom, to the upside. And a lot of that volume, though, comes with half that candlestick is shadow, meaning bearish activity because it's an upper shadow. Nasdaq, we're at a resistance point. We have support back here going back into time. We have resistance here, resistance. We're at resistance. However, I got some great trades coming up for you that are tech stocks. Russell small caps, all seems well. Things look like we could be heading up. Gold here, again, base, boom, doing well. Nice. Silver, little base, boom, doing well. Not too bad. So getting on to our other stocks of interest. I am calling Apple a repurchase. Remember I said this was a buy down here at this video. We go higher, and I said when we hit the resistance, wait for a nice pullback. And we are at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and at the 20-day moving average. If we gap down, run up. If we go higher, meaning we get over 530 or so, that is a buy trigger to the upside. So I'm calling it right now. Apple is a buy. We could head up and we'll have some resistance up here around the 540 range, so be careful with that. Amazon, this is a bottom, it's a low base frying pan type formation. This is a more speculative play, but if you want to try to get at a low, this might be your opportunity. Any upside opportunity here, be looking to go long Amazon. Facebook is up and away, looking nicely. Google, building a high base, it popped up, it sold off, making a new record high, got up around 1220, pulled back. LinkedIn found support, we popped up, little sideways and heading up. I do see it going higher. Microsoft in a little bit of trouble, kind of pulling back here at a resistance point. Netflix, high base breakout with volume, a buy opportunity on any upside potential here. If we go higher, be looking for entry, especially over 550. And Twitter, symmetrical triangle, broke down, came up to try to fill the gap, didn't even come close, but building a high base. I do see upside potential here, but not much, maybe a few bucks before it runs into a lot of resistance. And this Wednesday, a free online class, gang. Use it or lose it. It's only 40 minutes. We're going to be talking about Trading Foundation, which will be building an argument against gambling versus trading. And we'll be talking about the different vehicles out there to trade and which one our favorites are. And then we'll get into different time frames and how to use those time frames and when to use those time frames and what our favorites are. I think you'll enjoy it. So hope you come to the website, get registered, and be a part. Catch you guys later.